Hey, it's Mike today. I'd like to talk about Hyllion Holdings Corp. This stock trades on the NYC on symbol HYLN. The stock was up over 5% yesterday, up to $14.33 in the pre-market right now. It is down over 4%, but however, the whole pre-market is, the whole wide market is pretty much down today, so it's down to 1370. Look over the past month, Hyllion has not done well. A lot of the small cap stocks did take a beating over the last month. However, it has recovered pretty strongly over the past 3 days. It is trending upward. Now, if you look over the past 6 months, Hyllion has not done very well at all. Pretty much because it was a really hyped up stock. I mean, the stock had a nice big run, but did begin to fall off, and I just think it moved up too far too fast. However, I do think in the long term, Hyllion Holdings does have some potential to give you some outsized gains. And one of the reasons why I really like Hyllion Holdings is it is a company that's involved in providing electric vehicle solutions for semi-truck vehicles. But what I like is sort of this hybrid diesel solution that they have, where they can take existing diesel vehicles and provide hybrid technology for them. And I think that's going to be a great solution for a lot of companies that may not be ready to be able to completely transition their fleet to electric vehicles. This could provide some cost savings for trucking companies. And because of that, I really like Hyllion's hybrid service. I think this could be a great solution for a lot of different companies. Now, I think one of the reasons why Hyllion may rise is that we're seeing a rising oil prices, and that's going to be able to sort of motivate a lot of trucking companies to consider just having a more efficient fuel solution. And Hyllion could say, look, you don't need to go ahead and completely transform your fleet. We can just go ahead and hybridize your fleet at a fraction of the cost, and I think they're going to get a lot of sales there. I think with the pandemic being over, there's going to be a lot more companies that will be more comfortable investing in modernizing their fleet. And I also think that the entire market is going to do better over the next 6 months, and there's going to be a lot more investors who are more willing to take risk in smaller companies, and that's really going to help companies like Hyllion, especially if you see larger electric vehicle companies in general like Tesla, NIO, XPeng do well. People will begin to want to take a chance on the smaller EV companies. So definitely take a look at Hyllion. Would I get into it right now? No, maybe I would like to see it get past 1674, this sort of short-term top here. If it could get past the short-term top, then I feel like it can make a run at $20 a share. So I would definitely wait, but just keep Hyllion on your radar, because I think when it begins to rise, it'll rise pretty quickly. But like I said, right now, probably not the best time, just because when you look at a chart like this, it's hard to get into a stock that's fallen like this over the past 6 months. But I definitely think there's some long-term potential for Hyllion. That's why I want to point it out for you. So definitely check it out. Trades on the NYC on the symbol HYLN. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.